What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up in this video. Today, I am helping out my DIY guys. I got a really cool project here where the customer used a Harmony Pro 2400, and I thought that this was really valuable information that a lot of you guys could use when purchasing product from us and setting it up yourself. So, let's talk about exactly what we're gonna be doing before we actually get into the guts. In this particular room, he has a projector over here on one side, he has a screen over here on one side, and then he has everything terminating in a rack over here. So this video is gonna show you how to get the signal for your remote from that room to that room. If you guys would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed. All right, guys, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the rack right here, and you can see the client has everything hooked up in this strong FS series rack. This is one of our best sellers. If you guys would like to purchase, I highly recommend this rack because it's affordable and it comes with all the side doors, all the shelves, the fans, it has the casters, the wheels, I mean, and it comes fully assembled like this right to your door, which is pretty sweet. So this video is talking about the Harmony, the Logitech. You can see here on the back of the unit, I've done videos about this before, how to get the signal from one room to the other, but this guy did something very unique. So you have your IR ports here on the back, there's 6 of them, and you can either use IP or IR control with this unit, but this is gonna be just discussing IR control. So you can see he has right out of the back of the unit this little adapter here, and this is what's different from my other videos. Normally I tell you guys just to splice it in. An IR sensor is just 2 cables, and you can splice that into like 2 strands of a cat cable and it'll do the same thing. But for you guys out there that don't want to mess with it, don't have the tools, or just want to make your life easy and make it look clean, this is a cool solution. Basically this little adapter you got off Amazon, you plug right in the back of the Harmony, and then your cat cable plugs in there and it goes through your wall, and I'll show you the room where it's coming out at. And this room here, one is for the projector and one is for the projector screen. So I'm gonna see if I can get the camera back there for you to see. I think you guys should be able to see, but basically you just have the cat cable plugged right into that, which is going into the IR sensor, which is sticking over the little IR eye. Here's a piece I wanted to show. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is the other side where the cat cable comes out of, and then he has this little adapter which converts it to, again, a 3.5, and that just sticks right over the front of the unit. You got one for the Blu-ray here, and then you got one back here for the SI controller. Pretty sweet. I think you guys are gonna really prefer that method over you know, the installer way of doing it. What we always do is just, you know, start splicing stuff together because, you know, we do this every day, and, you know, there's a million jobs we have to complete. But for you guys that are on our channel watching these and thinking through the process, this piece is 10 bucks. I'm gonna show you right here on the customer's phone. Yeah, so here's the little kit. You can see, there's the model if you guys wanna look it up, but $11, I don't think you can beat that. It's a lot easier than splicing it in. So I hope this helps you guys out. Great setup the client has here. All right guys, that is a wrap on my Harmony Pro 2400 how-to guide, how to utilize a simple little adapter to get your signal from the rack room over to any device that's in a separate room. I hope that this information was helpful and you guys setting up your system. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and a low price guaranteed. We have all the hottest manufacturers and really pride ourselves on our work. Our audio video consultants would be happy to walk you through at no charge some options that may work for your space and budget. All right, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.